Tigrat Naresh. You know, the Mahabharata mentions these two kingdoms. The kingdom where the two rivers meet, Dograt, and the kingdom where the three rivers meet, Tigrat, is the land of the Jammu Dogras and the Kangra Dogras. The Dogras from Himachal Pradesh. They have a hoary fighting tradition, and it is mentioned that in the time of the Mahabharata war, the Dograt and the Tigrat kings decided to fight on the side of Duryodhana. It was as simple as that. They said, we have eaten his salt, and even if God is on the other side, we will fight him. Look at that level of commitment. I have eaten the salt of the Kauravas, and even if the Lord himself has come to fight on the other side, we will give him a battle.
Group Captain Randhir Singh, who was not only a soldier but was also a great artist who wrote so much.
ਉਮਰ ਬਜੋਗੀ ਦੀ ਸ਼ਾਇਰੀ ਦਾ ਫਲਕ ਬੜਾ ਉੱਚਾ ਤੇ ਮੁਕਲਾ ਹੈ। ਉਹਦੀ ਘਰ ਜਾਂ ਪਹਿਲੀਆਂ ਬਾਗਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਘਰ ਜਾਂ ਪਹਿਲੀਆਂ ਬਾਗਾਂ 'ਚ ਬੰਨੀ ਹੈ ਨਹੀਂ ਦਿਖਿਆ ਪਰਖਿਆ ਜਾ ਸਕਦਾ। ਉਸਦੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਉਸਦੇ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਦੀ ਵੀ ਦੇਖਣਾ ਪਰਖਣਾ ਪਾਓ।